All right, guys, so 2 days afterwards, we got the sporty tank cleaned out. As you saw, I used like 2 gallons of vinegar, white vinegar, and a small bottle of CLR. And that's just a little carbon. I don't know if you can really see it in there, but try to turn it over. See if we can get a good look at the inside. I mean, the rust, though there's like a few little spots, the rust. I mean, even this was like super rusty, and it's like super clean now. So I am very, very happy. I mean, it looks pretty darn good. And that's not bad for 2 days. Just depending on how things go, I might do another rinse. As soon as I was done with that, I went ahead and lubricated it with some WD-40. I might give it another rinse. We'll see. I just didn't want this to flash rust, so I got it WD-40 pretty good. I'm gonna get the excess out here in a little bit, but I mean, first impressions, holy crap. This is all the shit that came out, so. It's a dirty vinegar. But yeah, it came out pretty good. So that's it, man. I mean, that is pretty much it. Looks good. And should be back up and running. Just waiting for the pump to get here so I can start putting this bike back together.